Action.
Hi! Merry Christmas! So you guys should have received your package with the box full of stuff. Inside of it, you should find a bunch of ribbon. I have a bag, but you guys have the box. Bunch of ribbon. Some Kumihimo cording. Looks like this. A Kumihimo disc. Looks like this. A bag full of bobbins. That's these guys. And go ahead and open them up, and when you open them up, they flip open like that. So you can go ahead and do that to all of them. They just fold open. Pretty genius, whoever designed them. You'll find a spool of thread. And E6000. I have a big tube here. You guys will have a little tube. And you'll also find a little baggie full of silver findings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. See? Okay. In the end, you might be able to make something like this later on. Or, here's some other examples. Now this is all using the Kumihimo thread. Here's another one using a very thin Kumihimo thread. It's just a little bit thinner than what I've got for you guys. See the difference? Or, see, this stuff is about $8 a package. But inside your kit, you'll see that I've got a bunch of ribbon in there for you. And this is one made out of ribbon. And honestly, I like the ribbon better than I do the actual Kumihimo thread because it doesn't snag and it's a lot stronger. And it creates a longer piece, and it looks more colorful because you can get more colors in the ribbon than you can in the Kumihimo thread. And it's way cheaper. You can get an entire spool of ribbon for 50 cents. So you can make tons of these for pretty cheap. So that's what's in your kit. And now I'm going to show you how to make Kumihimo. Here's your disc. So I want you to pull out the disc and put it in front of you. And then I want you to take your Kumihimo ribbon and open it up. Okay, so you should have opened up your satin cording and laid it out in front of you like this. And now I want you to take one strand, straighten it out, and take the two ends and put them together like that. Hold them, and make a loop through some. Once you've done that, I want you to pick up the disc. I want you to take the string and put it on one side of the dot, and then on the bottom put it on the other side of the dot, like that. Now I want you to pick up another one. I'm picking up a white cord this time, something lighter. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to match the ends. Make a loop at the end. And I'm going to make an X. We're going to hug the dots. So you've got the blue cord on this side. I'm going to put the white cord on this side. And then I'm going to put the white cord on this side. So I'm making an X. See that? Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing for these two dots. So take another piece of cord, because you should have 4 pieces of satin cording or 4 pieces of ribbon. End to end, then make a loop. Take that loop, lay it down right in through the hole. Put this on this end, and this on that side, like that. So they're opposite. And then take the last piece of cording, match the ends. A loop, tap the hole, and then you're going to hug the dot. Just like that. So it looks like cross, kind of. Cross with 2 X's. Okay, now this is a lot of cord, and it could get knotted very easily. So what we're going to do is you're going to open up your spindles, and you've already popped them open so they look like this. And lay the disc flat like that. You're going to take one piece of string, and we're just going to start wrapping it. Doesn't have to be fancy, so long as you wrap it all the way up and then clip it shut. We're going to do that for each strand.